Salam Guys, Ryan here, back with a bang. I hope you're doing well. Today we're in Tyseley, I can never remember how to pronounce it, but basically we're in Brum. We're going to check out a new fried chicken place that actually serves Philly cheesesteaks, so adding that to the list of Philly cheesesteaks. Also let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a best Philly cheesesteak tour of Brum. That would be quite fun and interesting too, so yeah, let me know below if you'd like that. But yeah, let's head there, and the place is called Brooklyn Fried Chicken. We actually got here just before opening time, well, around opening time, but I think they were that busy last night that they opened later. But thankfully, they've just opened now, so it's all good, you know. So we've gone for a few things as usual. These guys serve Philly cheesesteak, which is yeah, one of my favourite sandwiches, if I don't mind saying. And what's interesting here is one of the owners actually lived in America for a while, and he's come back to the UK to obviously serve fried chicken and obviously Philly cheesesteaks. So my expectations are a bit more higher than what they were before coming in, because I just thought, oh, it's another Philly cheesesteak place. So yeah, with the American experience, I'm hoping it's going to be a good one. Right guys, let's dig into the food. So we've got, as usual, plenty of it. First things first, we've gone for the loaded chicken sub, which comes in a not a very big sort of roll, but I really like sort of like the texture that it gives off, and it is I'd say it's like a decent size, and it is, yeah, really fully loaded. And this comes with fried chicken, cheese, grilled onions, peppers, all that good stuff, and yeah, it's like an absolute monster. Oh man. Ooh, that's got spice, that's got crunch, that's got sort of juicy onions and peppers, and yeah, cheesy gooiness. That is, wow, that is insane. Yeah, what I really like with the bread is that it's really sort of soft in the middle and then nice and crispy outside, and it's got some sort of I don't know, like almost semolina on it. And yeah, you can see there the middle of it is just so gooey, so juicy, so crunchy. So yeah, this is an amazing sandwich. Next up, I'm going to try some of these sauces, because they've got some in-house sauces. So they've got the spicy one, it's like a brown type sauce. There's some herbs in there, and probably chili too. I can't put my hand on it. Can't put my finger on it. But yeah, it's really herby. Slightly tangy. Yeah, really delicious sauce. And a bit sweet too. But yeah, the one I really want to try is this ranch. Just love ranch. Yeah, give this a go. Oh yeah, that sauce. That is a premium ranch, and to be honest, the fries too are pretty good. I think everything together is just, yeah, definitely quality. I'm really surprised at this. Moving on, gonna try out some of the well, one of the burgers we've gone for, which is a dip one, because, you know, it being Brooklyn fried chicken and all, I thought, yeah, let's try some of the fried chicken. This is the Frankie's Upstate, which is basically a dip burger with, yeah, Frankie's hot sauce, and this is just dripping all over the place. So I need to get my teeth into this. That's not actually too spicy. So if you've had Frankie's hot sauce before, it's more on the vinegary side. It's like yeah, it's like buffalo almost, but this is yeah, pretty decent. Probably not my favourite dip burger, but it is yeah, definitely succulent, juicy, crunchy, but not enough spice for me. We've got the last item, which is one of the reasons I've come here, to be honest. And out on the front, they also proclaim themselves to be the king of Philly cheesesteak. So, of course, we've gone for a Philly cheesesteak, and this, yeah, comes in the same type of bread and same type of form as the loaded chicken sub, but let's give this a go. Super creamy from the cheese, real nice crunch from the jalapenos, the peppers, and the beef is almost shredded. It almost reminds me of brisket in a way. I think out of all of the Philly cheesesteaks, this feels more authentic to me. It's not a massive size, but the quality is definitely there. And I just really like the flavour of the beef on this. It's quite peppery almost. With all the other ingredients, it just makes it a absolutely banging Philly cheesesteak. Oh man, food is so incredible. Yeah, I forgot to mention as well, these guys also do like lunch boxes where you can get the Frankie burger with wings, fries, drinks. I think there's onion rings as well, and it comes to about 10 quid, 10, 11 quid, which is pretty good on pricing side of things. But yeah, we're gonna dig in now and enjoy this delicious food. Wow guys, what an absolute banger. I think for me, the subs, the Philly cheesesteak, that was the highlight for me. The fried chicken was good too, but I prefer mine to be a bit more spicier personally, but it was really good. So yeah guys, if you're in the area, definitely check out Brooklyn Fried Chicken. So amazing. I was not expecting that at all. Really nice, juicy, succulent chicken. It was a absolute banger. And yeah, shout out to the boss man in there. Really nice guy, really friendly. So yeah, give these guys some love. But yeah, I'll put the link to the restaurant below, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Salam.